Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Here today we have a 2012 Mini Roadster, which is a 1.6 Cooper S, which is an automatic convertible with petrol in white. This little gem has only got 31,000 miles on the clock. Comes with a full service history with 7 stamps from the main dealer. Also with this one, it's had £9,695 worth of factory fitted extras when new, which includes the chilli pack. Also the full leather pack as well. And many more. For the full list of these, please visit our website as we have these listed. It's a rare car, not many of these left, especially automatic. And with all these extras as well, it's going to be very hard to find one the same. Along with this, the private reg will be included in the sale. Along with this, you get 6 months warranty and 2 keys included. Has full electric windows, full electric roof, which is all in very good working order, which I will show you very soon. Very nice and clean, very well looked after by its previous owners. Body's in very good condition. Alloys suit the car very nicely. It's a really nice car, very nice drive, and plenty of power behind it. Here's the buttons here as well for the roof, as well as this spoiler at the back, which does also come up automatically when you go over a certain mile per hour. With this as well, it has had the media pack, so you've got extra speakers at the back, behind seats, along with the subwoofer. Also has sat nav, which if we go back to the home screen, so you've got navigation, telephone, radio, CD player as well, normal settings, vehicle information and mini connected. Moving down, you have the climate control as well as a CD player. Also your electric window switches, both sides, door lock as well as your lights. Also down here is the aux input as well as the USB. 2 cup holders with your 12 volt connector. As mentioned, this is an automatic with sport mode included. Again, this is a very nice car. With these, normally you don't get much boot space, but this one does come with quite a bit of room in there, as well as a little bit of extra room when opened up here. Plenty of room to fit your golf clubs or anything else that's a bit too long to fit in the boot. Again, very nice and clean. As mentioned, which was just over 31,000 miles. Also comes with the flappy paddles on the back of the steering wheel, along with the steering controls. Also has voice control as well. It's also stop start mode. As mentioned for the roof, it's just up here. Wrong way. Push towards the windscreen to put it back up. Got to give it a bit of a pull, twist, and there we go, it's locked in place. Sounds very, very nice. Nice clean engine. Overall, very, very nice car. And here we have it, the 2012 Mini Roadster 1.6 Cooper S automatic convertible, petrol in white. Thank you for watching.